Hey guys, my name is Christina Sullins and I'm a superstar level coach with Beachbody. And today I want to talk to you about creating systems for your business. So if you're a newer coach and you are just starting to really grow your business and build your team, or if you are a diamond coach and you're really looking to excel and take it to the next level, creating systems is now talked about so much it's almost like a buzzword, right? But it's critical to your success to scale your business and to allow your coaches to duplicate what you're doing. And I feel like so many people just get hung up on, the whole thought process of what is a system and do I even know if this works well enough to create a system, right? My whole thought process is I try not to do anything ever alone. So when I'm going to run an event, I'm going to use an example. We're going to run a challenge group sneak peek event tonight. The first thing is get your coaches involved. So whether you have personally sponsored coaches and their personally sponsored coaches, get other coaches involved so you're not doing any of the legwork all by yourself. Also helps you to get input from other people with different personalities and different strengths. But it helps teach your coaches leadership ability. So get your coaches involved and have them do the work alongside you. That's number one. And number two is to write down every single thing that you're doing. And this, for me, was something that I did not do for a really long time because I'm that person that just goes. And I'm always doing 5 things at once, which I'm trying not to do that anymore. But I would just literally zoom through tasks that I never stopped to actually write down what I was doing. So I'm going to screen share with you and give you a perfect example of this. This is going to save you so much time in your business and help you to create leaders underneath you because they're going to be able to do exactly what you're doing. So I'm running a challenge group sneak peek event tonight. And normally in the past, when I first started my business, I would have put this whole thing together by myself and I would have ran the event myself. And whether I would have, seen amazing success or not, I would have already been on to the next task. And I wouldn't even have thought about like how well it did, or should I do it again, or should I share it with my team? And a lot of times I would share it with my team, but I would run a team call and I would try to explain to them how I did it. And it was so time consuming and mentally exhausting. So don't get hung up on the word system. Almost think of it like bring your team on to see exactly what you're doing all the time so that they can duplicate what it is that you're doing. Even if it's something that you haven't seen insane success with, they can take the template and maybe they'll make it even better than you did it, right? The whole point is to share what you're doing, bring people alongside you, and let them duplicate it. Otherwise, you're always this one person building your business and you feel like you're climbing a mountain by yourself and you never want to feel that way. So here's what I do different now when I create systems. I'm running the event tonight, so I'm creating the format as we speak, but I'm pausing and taking the time to type the format out. So that's what I want to show you, which is right here. So I have all my files in Google Drive. And I created this banner on Canva, right? It's general so that I can use it all the time in the future, as well as my other coaches can use this same banner or they can create their own, okay? Do you know how much time it takes to create a banner? Yes, you do. So wouldn't you love it if someone just gave you a banner that was already done? Hello, that is a system. And then this is, again, what I used to do before is I would just type away, and run the event live. Now I'm pre-writing out the posts. copying and pasting them into a file in Google Drive. So I have the entire event in here. I have my coaches participating and giving before and after photos, and then we split up the posts. So I'm not doing all the posts myself. I'm doing, you know, the welcome post, and then my coaches are going to be sharing their transformation stories, and then I'm going to be talking about the fix, and then we're doing more transformation stories, and then Kelly's talking about Shakeology. But the point is that I am creating a format for my team to duplicate, so that when I finish this event tonight, I can hand over the Google Drive to my entire team, that document, and they can use it for their events. Something else that I like to do, I just started doing, this is the folder for the event. The format is the first file. And then I like to create consistent photos that I'm using in the event to streamline it, to brand my team and our image. So instead of just randomly doing a ton of different photos and different fonts with a ton of different apps, I use one app, one background, the same font, and use them for all the posts. So it looks like it's really organized. It looks like it's really put together. And I'm taking the time to do this, and it does take time. But now, once I'm done and we run the event tonight, we can figure out, okay, what we would change and what worked and what didn't work. But now I can give it to my coaches. Like, anyone can run this event. They don't have to be a diamond coach. You know, they can be an emerald coach. They can be someone who just started, and they're going to be able to take my format and duplicate it. So I hope that giving you a visual helped you understanding how systems work for your business. And it's really anything and everything that you do, from your email to a new coach to doing a new coach call. Whatever you're doing that is working, don't do it by yourself. Number one, that's the first tip. And number two is to copy and paste it into a document and save it in your Google Drive so you can share it with your team. All right, have a great day. Cheers.